Hello, I'm going to ask you for 2.5 minutes of your time. That's all I need to introduce you to a way to get yourself more money and more free time without it affecting your current job or business. Sound reasonable? The time starts now. All day, every day, people in homes and businesses throughout the UK are switching on lights, boiling kettles, making phone calls, using the internet and sending text messages. This is something that costs people money. But there are some people who found a way of turning household bills into household income. Thanks to the Utility Warehouse, you can make money by helping your friends, family and people you meet save money on their household bills.
It's pretty simple because everyone you know uses these services all the time. So along with air and water, you can't live without them.
You earn money from services people are already spending money on. I love the fact that you can work from home and there's no stock to buy or sell, and we can fit it around our daily lives and our work and our children.
The Utility Warehouse is part of a FTSE 250 British PLC called Telecom Plus. Established for over 15 years and valued at more than £1 billion and growing fast, they're listed on the London Stock Exchange and are licensed and controlled by government regulators. You may not even have heard of them, but that's because they don't waste money on advertising. Instead, they rely on word-of-mouth recommendation to get new customers. Leading consumer magazine, Which, has given them numerous Best Buy and Recommended Provider awards and has named them as one of the UK's best energy suppliers every year since their surveys began.
It's a no-brainer really, it's not selling. I just help people save money on the household bills and in return I make money every month. It's a win-win.
I'm sure you can now see why more and more people are choosing the Utility Warehouse as the ultimate plan B.
I don't need to know anything about utilities in order to be successful. I just introduce people to the company and they take care of the rest.
I show people how to save money and make money. The company train you how to do it the best way and it doesn't affect my normal job.
The Utility Warehouse offers a perfect financial backup plan for people from all walks of life, and it could do the same for you too.
It's great because you get rewarded every month for work done just once, and particularly these days when other businesses are cutting back.
And it's super for topping up your pension, and it's such a lot of fun, and it's great to have the challenge. We love the challenge.
We're passionate about helping people to save money and helping thousands more families up and down the UK to achieve their personal and financial goals. Even now, we've only just scratched the surface of the UK marketplace, so there's a massive opportunity for everybody who wants to be involved in this business.
I know the business works. I was able to choose to abandon a teaching career and have since built a property portfolio and get to travel as often as I like. Well, that's my time up. This is a simple concept and a win-win business. So now the decision is yours. The choice you make now could help you take control of your future. Why not join the thousands of ordinary people like us who are turning household bills into household income? To get started, click the Sign Up Now button.